As we all grow up in life, we go through many phases, be it mentally or physically, constantly working to evolve ourselves. B-Town celebs are no different. Even they go through these transformation phases. Among these celebs is Noora Fatehi, whose awe-inspiring transformation journey is enough to shell out motivation and make you believe in yourself. Stepping into the showbiz without any godfather, the dancer-actress Noora has come all the way by herself and fetched the success only on merit. But her journey from a dancer to a big Bollywood star was not that easy. Even she had to go through a lot of ups and downs. Born in a Moroccan family in Canada, Noora at one point of time during her initial days of career got so upset that she even packed her bags and thought of leaving the glam world. But destiny had something else in store. Somehow she managed to recollect all the courage and decided to stay and move on, and post that there has not been a single dull moment for her. Recently, a couple of rare throwback pictures of her also made their way to social media, and they will surely give you an idea of how incredible her journey has been. Noora, who shot to fame with a stint in the popular reality show Bigg Boss and special Dilbar Dilbar song from the film Satyamev Jayate, made her Bollywood debut with the film Roar, Tigers of the Sundarbans, and gained popularity by doing several dance numbers in films like Bahubali The Beginning and Kick 2. Her dance number O Saki Saki from the film Batla House still rules the hearts of her fans. She was last seen in the film Bhuj, The Pride of India, which also starred Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi Sinha, Sharad Kelkar and others. Not only this, known for her killer dance moves and envious body, Noora also recently turned cover girl for Filmfare's latest edition. She shared a picture of the magazine's cover page that features her on Instagram, leaving the netizens completely in awe of her.